are thinking about getting technology for individual cow management and do an internet search, you'll find a mountain of information. But it's not always easy to tell what's old and what's new, what products are only available overseas, or to get details about some of their more pertinent features. The TechMatrix is a dairy industry resource that lists the products available for individual cow management in Australia and some features that shape how each product is used, as well as what technology can work together. The project focuses on technologies for managing individual cows, specifically auto-drafting, individual bale feeding, inline milk meters, and activity meters. It doesn't cover technologies used for farm management, such as soil moisture sensors, electronic pasture meters and drones, temperature and humidity sensors, or virtual fencing. The first version was created in 2019 with the input of 20 Australian technology manufacturers and suppliers. It contains information on about 80 products, although some are new and as yet have little market share. All of the products can achieve good results if they match the needs of the farm and are used appropriately. Now to describe what's in the TechMatrix and how to use it. The TechMatrix is a spreadsheet that has 8 worksheets. Each of the tabs at the bottom of the spreadsheet takes you to a different page. The first page has a diagram that shows the various technologies that can be used to individually manage cows. The blue circles with white stars are the technologies covered in the TechMatrix. Always take note of the date on the front page, as this will tell you how old the information is. The pace of technological innovation is fast, and the availability and functionality of products does change. The second page shows the entire TechMatrix, so you can see what it is rather than get bogged down in the details. Each row lists the products available from each of the tech suppliers. Some suppliers offer the full range of kit for milk harvesting. Some have a couple of products on offer. Some of the technologies have been developed locally to suit Australia's system of dairying. These have red lettering, while others have been developed in the Northern Hemisphere. These have blue lettering. The next 4 worksheets show features of the TechKIS target technologies. The design of these pages follows the European Union's 4D4F Technology Warehouse resource. However, we've changed what's in many of the columns to come up with our own Aussie version. For example, some pages, like this one shown here on activity meters, have a column headed Same As to show products that are essentially the same technology but available under a different brand name. We've also had a go at describing what works with what, which is especially important in Australia where many farms have a mix and match of kit. As examples, the auto drafting page shows activity meters that can work the different auto draft gates. And the bale feeding page has columns showing the software that can operate the bale feeding systems. The final page in the spreadsheet gives some details on companies that have supplied technology to the Australian market. Having this bit of background, when the companies started up or merged, can help make sense of how some of the products have evolved and their potential compatibility. The rows shown in pink indicate companies that are no longer active. An overview of the points covered in this talk are summarised on a TechKIS topic sheet. While we fully anticipate the content to change over time as new products are released, the TechMatrix could provide useful prompts for discussions with your tech supplier and other service providers. We hope this information has been useful. TechKIS has made short videos and checklists for each of the target technologies. These resources are available from the New South Wales Department of Primary Industries website.